Sunrise creeping through the blinds. Another day, another grind. But something's different in the air. A hunger blooming beyond compare. Empty fridge and rumbling sound. Gotta put my apron on, turn this day around. Forget the emails, ditch the stress. Time to create, time to bless. Burning desires, cooking time has come. Flames are rising till the dishes are done. Chopping and slicing, stirring the pot, giving it everything I've got. A symphony of sizzle and steam, living out a culinary dream. Onions dancing in the pan, releasing aromas, part of the plan. Garlic sizzling, a fragrant call, answering the craves and giving my all. Empty fridge and rumbling sound. Gotta put my apron on, turn this day around. Forget the deadlines, ditch the phone. Time to create, feeling whole. A pinch of this, a dash of that. Creating magic right where I'm at. Experimenting, letting it flow. Watching flavors blossom and grow. Burning desires, cooking time has come. Flames are rising till the dishes are done. Chopping and slicing, stirring the pot, giving it everything I've got. A symphony of sizzle and steam, living out a culinary dream. The kitchen's messy, heart feels light, fueled by passion, burning so bright. Burning desire, satisfied now. Taking a bow, taking a bow. Messy, heart feels light, fueled by passion, burning so bright. Burning desires, satisfied now. Taking a bow, taking a bow.